Welcome to another video on business development skills for lawyers. Now, this particular video is specifically for those of you who work in larger law firms. If you're a solo practitioner, you still can watch, but you may not have the actual tools in place to be able to follow this advice. If you're working for any firm that has more than 30 lawyers in the firm, that firm should, if they're doing things right, have a legal marketing professional on staff. Now, you might say, wait a minute, my firm is bigger than that, and we don't have a legal marketing professional on staff. Well, that's a problem because every firm that is really successful with their legal marketing has one person on staff in the marketing department for every 30 lawyers. That's just a great number that they follow. It can be a little different than that. But if you're a firm of 50 or more lawyers and you don't have a legal marketing professional working for your firm is probably leaving money on the table. So today's tip is for the lawyer who wants to do better with their own personal marketing and grow their legal practice. And many lawyers who I talk to about this look at me like I've lost my mind. And yet, this tip I have seen help so many lawyers find more success over a 1, 2, or 3 year period than any tip that I give to attorneys. So my question to you, if you're a lawyer and you're in a firm that has at least one legal marketing professional on staff, when is the last time that you set up a lunch one-on-one with just you and your legal marketing professional? Most of the time, people look at me and go, I have never had lunch with my legal marketing professional. And when I ask why, they really have no idea. Now, first of all, sometimes lawyers like to badmouth their marketing department and undercredit their abilities to do a great job. Let's erase that. No matter what you think about the people who work in your marketing department, I want you to put those preconceived notions aside because you might not know what you're talking about. And if you have people on staff who aren't really up to snuff, then the firm needs to do something about that. But in most cases, it's just the little internal voice inside the attorney's head who says, they don't have a JD. How smart can they be? Well, I'm going to tell you, most legal marketing professionals inside firms are brilliant when it comes to legal marketing. You're brilliant when it comes to practicing law. People have different skill sets. And when we bring people together who can use those skill sets working in synchronicity, that's where the magic happens. So my suggestion to you is reach out to the legal marketing person in your office. Specifically, if you're a national firm, the person who works in your city. Now, you might be broken up by practice groups, so your specific legal marketing professional might actually be in another physical location. Well, that's okay. You travel for business once in a while, or your firm has some sort of a meeting. Make sure when you're in the same town as that legal marketing professional, you're taking them out to lunch. Now, if you're not going to travel and you're not going to be able to see them, set up a Zoom call regularly so that you can talk to them about your practice, your business development plan, and how you want to market yourself so that you can grow your practice. Now, sometimes people say, well, what good is that going to do? First of all, when your legal marketing professional picks themselves off the floor after being stunned that you called just wanting to talk with them and find out what they're doing and learn from them, they're going to be in shock because almost no one in your firm, except for a handful of rainmakers, probably utilizes their skills to grow their practice. But after they get over that initial shock, they're going to start thinking about you and how they can help you. Trust me, I spent 5 years inside 2 AmLaw 100 firms as the marketing director for their Austin and Dallas offices. And anytime one of the attorneys took an interest in getting to know me and working with me, they became my project. I got them quoted in the local business journal. I got them speaking opportunities. I found them places to write articles because I worked with about 100 attorneys. I couldn't always be thinking about all of them, but those who showed respect to me and were interested in what I did, I showed respect to them and I helped them get more business. So today's tip is really simple. If you work in a big firm that has marketing professionals on staff, reach out to them, let them know you're interested in finding out how they can help you grow your practice, and then listen to them, share with them, and get to know them as a person. Some of the best friends that I have are lawyers who I worked with during that 5-year stint because we worked together on projects. I helped them grow their practice. And because of that, we built a relationship. I can promise you The people who are respectful and kind and take an interest in the people in the marketing department are going to get more attention from those people who work in the marketing department. So this is a little teeny easy piece of advice that most of you have ignored for years. Call your marketing person right now. You don't have to tell them, hey, I watched a video by some business development coach. Just call them and say, I'd like to get to know what you do and see if you can help me grow my practice. The synergy of working with your legal marketing professional is going to skyrocket your career, but you have to put in the time. This isn't a one-time lunch. Get on a regular schedule once a month or once a quarter to spend some time with them. Find out what they're working on. See how you can help them. I'll tell you a little secret. It's hard to be a non-lawyer inside a law firm. And so anytime that a lawyer is their champion, has their back, they're going to do more work for you. I would love the chance to talk to you if you're looking to grow your legal practice and you're looking for a legal business development coach. Reach out to me at tom@thomsinger.com and let's set up a short conversation to see if the services that I offer will help you be able to grow your practice. Have a great day.